Hello, welcome to INSOWA Tutorials. Let's look at the features of INSOWA that equip businesses with cutting-edge automation for simplified business operations. In the previous video we covered the basics of INSOWA's dashboard that gives you real-time business updates. In this video, we are going to take a tour of INSOWA's inventory management feature and understand how it provides real-time inventory updates that help in planning ahead. So, let's get started. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard with an overview of all your business processes. You can click on the icon here to view inventory details. It shows complete inventory information including product ID, stock keeping unit, product name, brand name, available quantity, selling price, purchase price, logistics cost and margins. Here, after clicking on the View Inventory icon you can see complete product details including product code, vendor name, manufacturer's name, time period for return, current availability of the product as well as an average selling price. Along with this, you can also view the basic product information like product code, product name, manufacturer's name, category, subcategory, manufacturing date and expiry date. And here, you can view the specific details about product attributes, pricing details, tracking details as well as additional details including description and storage details. And right here, you can view the complete journey of sales orders to customers as well as the journey of purchase orders from vendors. Furthermore, from here you can edit the inventory details, clone the product details for adding a new product with similar attributes as well as delete a particular product from the inventory list. This option on the top helps you add the products easily by updating complete product information. Not only this, you can also add details for easy tracking according to the batch and serial number. Besides that, sales-specific details like multiple variants, returnability and sellability of products can be added here. Then, we have an export and import feature here that helps you download real-time inventory details as well as upload or add inventory details in bulk with just a few clicks. And from here, you can filter the inventory on the basis of brand, category, expiry date, selling price, purchase price as well as on the basis of available quantity. This feature helps businesses to stay updated with real-time inventory details. Watch our next video to learn how to add a new product so that you can track your inventory easily.